I'm getting a depth measurement because I need to do a helicoil here. This protrusion right here allows you to take depth measurements. I think it's about 450. 450 thousandths. So we'll have to drill a little bit deeper than that for the helicoil. So I might go 50 thousandths more, make it 500. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This thread completely gone. This thread coming out. See that? It's already broke basically. It just hasn't come out yet. So I needed to helicoil both those. This is super common. This is a Precision 6466 compressor oven. I coiled these to this one and this one. Going 500 thousandths deep kind of seems necessary because that's exactly how far you need it to go to bottom out your coil. The thing I didn't like about it though is it cut those holes in the bottom. So he's gonna have to silicone those bolts. This one, you know, this one was never coiled or anything, and it's got a hole all the way through. I just don't like how they did that. I feel like they probably should have never put the bolt all the way through just because of it leaking there. It's kind of hard to fix that unless silicone should fix it, but it would have never been an issue had the holes not been threaded all the way. And they're really they should have redid the whole casting on that, I think. Maybe raised everything up or something.